A race engine, but not on the track, right in the middle of everyday life. BMW took its Formula One experience and placed it inside a sedan, creating this beast, the M5 E60. This car is not just a sedan, it carries the first and only naturally aspirated V10 engine in BMW's history. Under the hood lies a machine that revs up to 8,250 RPM, producing a whopping 507 horsepower, all infused with F1 DNA. But how is this insane car born? Why is it still considered a legend? And what does it actually feel like to drive? Let's dive into the details of this icon. In 2003, BMW decided to completely reinvent the M5. The core philosophy of the M series had always been powerful engines and exceptional handling. But this time, they also went for a radical design change. And at the helm was one of the most controversial figures in the automotive world, Chris Bangle. Bangle was the mastermind behind BMW's design revolution at the time. Some called him a genius, while others claimed he ruined BMW. But one thing is certain, he changed the automotive world. And here it is, the E60 M5. Sleek yet aggressive lines, large kidney grills and dynamic air intakes, dual exhaust system, the signature V10 scream, 19-inch M wheels, and lowered suspension aerodynamic M mirrors and sharp shoulder lines. The design wasn't just aggressive, it was also functional. BMW engineers spent hours in the wind tunnel to optimize aerodynamics. The result? A super sedan that stays planted even at 300 kilometers per hour. Inside, we are greeted by the classic BMW M philosophy. Minimalistic, functional, and entirely driver-focused. Alcantara headliner, M-badged sport steering wheel, high-bolstered M seats, and most importantly, the red M button. Press this button and everything changes. The engine response, throttle sensitivity, suspension stiffness. The car instantly enters track mode. The most special thing about the M5 E60 is, without a doubt, its engine. BMW infused this car's heart with technology straight from its Formula One racing years. Under the hood sits the S85 5.0-litre naturally aspirated V10 engine. And this motor carries several innovations borrowed from F1. What did it take from F1? High revving concept, a motor that revs up to 8,250 RPM. While most sedan engines are limited to around 6,000 RPM, the E60 M5 revs like a race car. 4 valves per cylinder, ensuring better airflow and sharper throttle response. Naturally aspirated for pure driving feel. No turbo lag, just instant response. This beast produces 507 horsepower and 520 newton meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, just 4.1 seconds. Top speed, 305 kilometers per hour. And as if that weren't enough, the engine sound is a masterpiece. It lets out a 10-cylinder scream. Even today, hearing it will send shivers down your spine. This car wasn't just powerful, it was also one of the fastest sedans BMW ever tested on the Nürburgring-Nordschleife. Thanks to its suspension geometry, steering precision, and differential tuning, it delivered outstanding cornering performance. Rivals? The Mercedes E55 AMG and Audi RS6. Yes, they were powerful, but none matched the raw driving sensation of the M5 E60. But no legend is without flaws. One of the biggest criticisms of the M5 E60 was its SMG III transmission. Before dual-clutch DCT technology, BMW used a single-clutch automated manual. The result? Rough low-speed shifts and occasional delays. Additionally, maintaining this engine is far from cheap. Oil changes, break-in periods, and delicate engine components can be costly in the long run. Even today, many enthusiasts dream of owning this legendary M5. Finding a clean E60 M5 in the used market isn't easy. But if you do, prices range from $30,000 to $50,000. Is the M5 E60 right for you? If you crave a pure driving experience and a legendary engine, absolutely. But if maintenance costs scare you, you might want to think twice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Which legendary car should we cover next? See you in the next video.